How to turn on and enable auto reconnect downloads on UC browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to UC browser. This is the home page. Now go down here, click on those three lines and click on the settings option here. Now on this page you will find many options as you can see, but all what you have to do is simple. Just click on download settings right here, the third option. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now here you will find the fourth option. It's called auto reconnect. Click on it and it's enabled as you can see right here. It's very easy and fast. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.